since we have collectively come together as a government, the MDA government this time, all the partners in the MDA government minus the BJP, we have come together collectively. I feel that we are going to definitely ensure victory this time.
So you also have a tough opponent in the form of Vincent Palazzo. How do you see him? And he's been there for quite some time.
Yeah, he's been there for the last 10 years. But this time I don't see much difficulty because all the parties have come together. And if you look at the vote share in the last MDC elections, in both the Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, if you compare only the vote share of the Congress and the UDP, our party, the Congress is leading by only a small margin. But if you combine the total votes together of the NPP, the PDF, the HSPDP with the UDP and also including the independents, the vote share is I think 10 times or 20 times more.
Right. So you've
but Jemino, one thing is that this is we have seen that Bapala or prior to him also this Bapiar Kindia owned from this seat. It seems that for several years this seat is represented by Congress. So how you are going to break this notion?
See, Congress has always been spreading this propaganda around that in national politics, as far as MP elections is concerned, people should vote for the national party, which is also not true. And we have also seen how much has these those who have represented the national parties in the last many years. Bapala has represented the Congress party from Shillong parliamentary seat for the last 10 years. We have PR Kandia, we have others also who have represented the national party. But you have to look at the contributions also of these member of parliaments, okay, during their tenure. But they keep on harping that as far as MP elections is concerned, you should vote for a national party. But let me also remind you that we also have Prof GG Swells also, who is from the regional party once upon a time. And he has performed exceedingly well. Okay, he was instrumental at the time when we fought for the Hill State. He was instrumental at the time when when the coal issue came into the picture. Now the the owners of those coal mines, they have become the ownership, okay, of those places, and even the coming of the Non-Eastern Hill University also. I think Professor GG Swells has contributed quite a lot, and many others also. And plus he rose to the rank of becoming the Deputy Speaker also of the Lok Sabha. So you cannot say that, if you are from a regional background and you're a regional background and you don't have much support, and especially in Parliament where there's so many MPs from big states, 543, 45 MPs in Parliament. It is not that you cannot, your voice does not matter. It depends on how you voice the concern of the state and how you voice, okay, the apprehensions of the people of the state and how you project, the state to move forward in the realm of development and in many other issues concerning the people in the state of Meghalaya. So this is, see, if you say that only national parties should represent, so I feel that this is very wrong, because even Professor GG Swells also has, has proved that he is capable of doing a lot for the welfare of the people of the state. Whereas these MPs from the Congress, they have not made anything which is outstanding as far as the issues of the states are concerned, the state of Meghalaya is concerned. So I feel that, we should remove this feeling and also tell the people that it depends on the person, on the individual.